Have you ever wondered how a gentle poetry reading could turn into a comedy spectacle? During a serene evening at the local library, a hiccup-filled twist of fate added unexpected hilarity to a prestigious poetry event. Mid-recitation, a renowned poet was suddenly seized by a fit of uncontrollable hiccups. With every poetic verse, the unexpected pop of a hiccup broke the solemn atmosphere, leaving the audience in stitches. As the poet attempted increasingly bizarre remedies, from holding his breath to standing on one leg, the hiccup hijinks only escalated, turning a refined recital into a festivity of laughter. In true comedic fashion, the poet embraced the chaos, ending with a verse delightfully syncing each hiccup to the rhythm of his poem.